And Judge, I apologize. I'm wearing a mask because I'm in a public place. Doing the Zoom thing.
He's not on yet. When he comes on, you'll see him.
So, Parker,
You're going in and out. I can't hear you at all.
I apologize. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
I was saying, did you get my message through the chat if she approves the conservatorship about drop off and pickup?
I did get that message through the chat. When we go back over there, I don't know if it's still saved over there, but I did get the message. You might have to resend it to me. See it though.
No problem. No problem.
Is this a Coronado case?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is good morning. This is cause number 2018-35053. In the interest of Christopher Coronado, please, parties, raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Unmute yourself, Mr. Coronado.
Sorry.
All right.
Yes, I do.
All right. Sir, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Benino Coronado, and I'm the father of Christopher Coronado.
All right. And counsel, your name and who you represent.
This is Lucio Montes. I represent Mr. Benino Coronado.
All right. For the state.
Sade Parker, Your Honor.
Court will note that Crystal Marie Longoria is the custodial parent, and she is not signed in. Is that correct, Ms. Parker?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. She is not signed in.
She was present in court August 20th, 2020, and signed a reset order for a Zoom conference hearing, which indicates that it was set for today at 8:04 a.m. So we will proceed by default. Let's proceed.
Your Honor, I don't know if Maria told you, but this case, we're going to proceed on the default. We only filed a patty order when we did it, so we only established the paternity and set child support, and we did a temporary order on that on January 9th. But on August 19th, Mr. Montes filed a counter petition requesting conservatorship and possession of access. He's requesting a standard order with the mother as the managing conservator on a JMC. But I don't know, he's here to address that, but we want to do a default on our just a patty or on confirming the temporary order, basically, just so you know what I'm.
All right, is that correct, Mr. Montes?
That is, Judge.
All right, so you want to default as to the mother regarding your matter, correct?
That's right, Your Honor. And he's asking for simple possession, no expanded, and obviously pay child support and insurance as set by the AG's office.
Okay, we're having a default hearing regarding the suit for modification of child support order only. Is that correct?
Yes.
Is that correct, Mr. Montes?
I apologize. I didn't understand.
We are having a default hearing only on the suit for modification of child support order. Is that correct? Is that your understanding?
That is correct, Judge.
Okay.
That's my understanding. I filed the counter for asking for access, obviously because child support is set, but she won't let him see the child, Judge. So,
well, okay, let me ask a question. In the agreed order, is there any provisions for Possession and access?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna have a default hearing on the suit for modification. Are you gonna continue with your counter petition? Mr. Montes, in the
Yeah.
246 District Court, I guess?
Yes, Your Honor.
Uh, Because this is only a suit for modification and support and doesn't involve the possession and access. Your counter petition would involve that, and that would be uh, something for the 246. Was there a previous order on this, or is this the first?
There was a previous default order that was a patty order that just established him as the father, and there was no child support set at that previous default order.
Was there any possession and access order included in that one?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let's proceed on the default hearing for the suit for modification of child support.
Your Honor, I would like to call Mr. Coronado.
Okay.
Unmute yourself. Mr. Coronado, back in January, did you agree to a temporary order?
January for
To set the child support?
child support? Yes. For child support, yes.
Yes, and was the child support set at child support $163 per month starting February 1st, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And it was medical support was set at $27 a month starting February 1st also, correct? Mr. Coronado?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
And you're wanting to finalize that child support and medical support and make it a final order, correct? And your income is substantially the same as it was in January when you signed the order, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And also in that temporary order, Miss Longoria's personal information disclosed. We're requesting a non-disclosure. Are you in agreement with the non-disclosure?
He is not in agreement with the non-disclosure, because that's
Okay.
the reason we've been unable to serve her with the counter petition.
That's fine. Mr. Coronado, has there ever been any incidents of family violence between you and Miss Longoria?
Yes, there has.
When was
okay.
that?
I'm not going to entertain any non-disclosure issue.
Okay.
The only thing I'm doing is modifying the child support order. We'll let the 246 decide on the non-disclosure and the possession and access issues, because I'm going to transfer that portion of the matter over to the 246. Okay.
Okay, Your Honor. Well, then I pass the witness.
All right. Do you have any questions for him, Mr. Montes?
No, Judge. Ms. Parker covered what I needed.
All right. I would further note that Ms. Longoria was notified of this setting not only by signing the reset order, but also by a certified mail return receipt requested, which was delivered to her on October 7th, 2020.
And Your Honor, the AG's order then would not contain a non-disclosure provision, right? Because that's going to be kicked to the 46.
Yes, I'm just modifying the child support order.
Your Honor, I think his question is because in the temporary order that we did in this case, her information is not disclosed. And if you're not taking it up, he's saying if we're not taking it up right now, are we still leaving it the way it is in order? Where it's not disclosed, or is it being disclosed?
Well, we don't have,
She's not here for any type of evidence. I apologize, Judge.
I'm not gonna make any orders as to any non-disclosure. She's not here to give testimony in that regard. So I'm not gonna default someone on a non-disclosure. Okay,
No problem, Your Honor.
okay. I'm gonna approve the default order for modification, which includes the amount of child support that's being modified only. And counter petition. Transferred to the 246 District Court. And you'll have to get a hearing or date or whatever on that, okay?
Yes, Your Honor,
This is
thank
sort of
you.
this is sort of a bifurcated
I
hearing.
see.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be,
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
okay, I need you all to log back into the other Zoom so we can find out, so I can send you the final order. So log back into the Zoom we came from, the original Zoom.
Ms. Parker, we were actually sent to a,
Yeah, I'm just gonna say, wait for this to go not be live on YouTube.
no, we were sent to a breakout room by the original coordinator. So we can't log back onto that room by ourselves.
No, if you log